Hi, I'm Michael Corr, a painter and mural artist from Central Scotland. I've been a professional artist since 2018 and I absolutely love it. I work mainly with large-scale portraits with bright, vibrant colours. I love the freedom of expression that painting allows me to do. At the moment, I'm using fluid, introducing it into my mural painting, covering large areas. Like, I've just thrown in the background colour of the mural I'm working on right now, and it went on really quickly. It was really solid, really opaque. Also really like the squeezy bottles that they come in, because they're great for creating drips and lots of control and flexibility. For me, I love throwing paint at the canvas and seeing how it turns out, seeing all the wee imperfections and all the wee lovely drips and details, big expressive strokes, and anything that kind of like loads of drips. It feels absolutely amazing. I'm so honoured and excited to work with Daler-Rowney, using all their lovely, amazing materials I've been creating art with most of my life. The new possibilities and potential within my artwork, especially mural painting, having way more coverage and fluidity. For me, inspiration comes from being relaxed and giving into your subconscious, doing other activities. Like, I love listening to music, going walks in nature, cooking, although I'm not a very good cook, trying new things like going new places, watching films, reading stories, just anything that's like gets you into that creative flow. So for me, I would recommend that you spend as much time as you can experimenting, enjoy the journey and the process of creating whatever it is you're doing.